Hi guys, welcome back. Let's create this brush stroke text animation in Canva, a designing platform where an outlined version of the text will be revealed before the full text is revealed. So Canva is also used to create videos. So to do this, click on custom size and then set the width and the height to 1920 by 1080 pixels, and then click on create new design. And then afterwards, you create a text with brush type of typeface. So let's say if you want to type hello, and then change the font size by typing a larger number here. Afterwards, pick a font, a handwritten font written using the brush stroke, such as, let's say, Avalon Alt, and then you rotate it a bit, and then you do some rescaling by dragging one of the corners, just like this. And then all you have to do is to click here and then head over to effects and then click on hollow so that the outlines can be formed just like this. And then you simply make it white by clicking on this one and then make it white just like this. And then you save it as a transparent PNG image file, which is only available for Canva Pro users, by clicking on share and then click on download and then set the file type to PNG and then tick the box for transparent background. So without Canva Pro, you can convert this image into an image file other than PNG, and then you can remove the background on any background remover websites. So and then click on download. And then click on this one again, and then click on effects, and then click on none to remove the effects. This will be the text, the original text. So make it white again, and then click on share, and then click on download, and then set the file type to PNG, and then click on transparent background. Tick the box for transparent background, and then click on download, just like this. And now let's animate this. To do it, click on uploads. Afterwards, click on upload files, and then afterwards you head over to the folder where it's stored in, both of the transparent PNG image files. Click on open, just like this, and then click on the background and then set the background color to let's say purple, just like this. And then afterwards, drag this first, and then you animate it by clicking on the animate icon. Afterwards, you head over to brush, just like this, and then right click on the text layer and then head over to show element timing to make the timeline appear. Drag the text with fill and then do some resizing so that it fits with the outline text, just like this. Once you're done, click on animate again, and then click on brush, just like this. And then, drag it. Shorten the duration for this, and then increase the duration by clicking each of the text with the brush animation, and then click on duration, just like this. And then you simply extend it, just like this. And then if we hit play, now the brush stroke appears, just like this. You start from the outlines that form the letter, and then you simply color it with the same brush effects or brush animation. That's how you can do this brush stroke text animation in Canva, a designing platform. So thanks for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.